the air filters have a green coating on them, and that's how you identify this is really an air filter. This green coating is antimicrobial in nature that can destroy germs which otherwise might harm you. The bottom side is white, but the top side is green. And even if you see the mark, this arrow, so air comes from here and goes out, and that is how the top part where all the microbes first will hit are deactivated. So this is how you put every AIRTH filter, this is how you handle it, and this is our frame. You basically just slide it and then put it on top like this. And that's it. That's how you get clean air for your better health.